I got my Bambox produce today. This is how they normally come in the box with the fork and the dressing. I get mine a little bit separated out like this because I like to be able to show my clients which are the different greens and how different they taste. But they wanted me to give you guys a few ideas if you didn't want to eat it like a salad, how you can incorporate it maybe into smoothies or hummus or lettuce wraps. So here goes. First thing I'll show you with my Bambox salad is if you flip it over, they are going to have a label in the back that's going to show you exactly what is in your pack, so the different sprouts or the different lettuce. And then you can either eat it like that or you can portion it out. Today I'm going to show you how to make some hummus. I like to use butter beans because most of my clients like that. It's a little bit creamier, easier to blend up. I like to hide all my vegetables in there. Not every kid loves green things. So we got some garlic. There's going to be some zucchini that I've already air fried in there to get it a little bit soft, easy to digest. There's some lemon juice and some avocado oil on the bottom. And then I'm going to throw in a couple of these different sprouts. And I'll show what it looks like all blended up. And there is your hummus. Not sure you should always trust a skinny cook, but look at all of those vegetables that we just ground up in there and made into a yummy dish. So you can use these little half-cup containers. I like to use these glass jars, and you can just bring them to work this way or dip them in vegetables or dip any of your greens in there. You can add salsa. You can make it be a lettuce wrap, any of your greens, or you can just add it right straight to your Bambox salad. You can also add a avocado in there or some fish or some chicken, and you have the complete meal. Alrighty, let's make some hummus. I know not every kid loves green things, so guess how many vegetables we're going to hide in here. Here goes the hummus, all my hidden vegetables. This is what your butter bean hummus will look like. A couple different ways that you can use that, or I go ahead and put it in these little half-cup jars for my clients because they freeze really well. If you're going out of town, that's a great way to use all your greens. Make sure they all stay fresh. You have a bed of lettuce over here. You can just pour that right over the top. You can make some lettuce wraps. You can have taco night, or you can just take your Bambox salad to work with your half a cup of hummus, and you can put that on top for another dressing. You can add salsa to it, or you can just eat it plain.